dinos! Welcome back to another episode of Numbers with Kitty Cat. That's me, Kitty Cat. Did you know that the United States is a world leader of wind? Wind has been a source of renewable energy since the invention of the windmill thousands of years ago. Today's wind power is made from big wind turbines. They're over 300 feet tall. Some have 8,000 parts. Along with China, Germany, Spain, and others, the United States is using wind to make lots of energy. Can you believe it? Wind actually makes energy. Okay, dinos, grab your worksheets. Remember, the link below is to print them out so we can do it together. First, let's write our names. Did you grab your favorite crayon? Okay. Did I mention you guys are doing such a great job at writing your names? I'm so proud of my dinos. Now, let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read together. Color the animal according to the number codes. It says here that 1 is orange, 2 is black, and 3 is yellow. Let's do that one more time. 1 is orange, 2 is black, and 3 is yellow. So what are we going to color where it says 1? It says 1 is orange. So let's color it orange. Great job at coloring the vulture, dinos. You guys are doing so amazing. Okay, now that we're done coloring the 1 orange, we're going to color part 2, which says 2 is black. So grab your black crayon and the area where it says 2, color it black. Great job. We're coloring his feathers black because vultures have black feathers, but no hair on its head. Isn't that funny? The vultures are one of the environment's most important and overlooked creatures. These intelligent birds are uniquely equipped to keep the environment clean, and they help prevent the spread of diseases by eating the dead corpse of animals. Isn't that interesting, dinos? Okay, now that we're done with the black, it says 3 is yellow. What's left is the beak and the feet. So let's grab our yellow crayons and color the number 3 yellow. Great job, dinos. You're almost done. Don't forget his feet. Great job, dinos. I'm so proud of you. Oh, check out that vulture. You did such a great job, my dinos. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!